Hello everybody. Today we can see about Mindray Bilirubin direct kit. Here we can see in the top we can see the brand name Mindray, then product name Bilirubin direct kit. This kit we used DSA for DSA method. This is short form for Bill D. This is the overall representation in top. Here we go for front. In the front we can see the product name Bilirubin direct kit for DSA method Bill D. This is other languages. Here you can see the reference number DBI0102. This kit contains reagent 1 4 into 20 ml, reagent 2 1 into 20 ml. This is a C certificate IVD product. One instruction manual inside this kit. We should maintain 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using the ice pack. In the bottom we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This is the overall representation of front. Here we can see the other angles. On the side we can see the plane. On the back side we can see for in vitro diagnostic use. On the other side we can see in the bottom we can see the brand name Mindray and manufacturing details. This is the overall representation of this product. Thank you.